want to ask the question, what is the origin of the universe? How did the universe come to be? And it's in your notes, by the way. And the answer from the world of science, the best guess today that we have is called the Big Bang model, that at some point in time, about 14, 15 billion years ago, there was a sudden explosion of matter, because energy can become matter, and then it gets bigger and bigger, clumps together, and we have what we have today, this world. How did it start? The short answer to the Bible doesn't explain to us about gravity, but the world of physics does. Are we to say, because physics is not part of theology, we should throw the baby with the bathwater? We don't do that. And in fact, as long as you're walking confidently on earth, you already adopt the idea of gravity. Then we ask the question, therefore, when the Christian says, God created the universe, is it scientifically flawed? So I want to say, what makes you believe in God when you are studying the origin of life? I said, don't you see? If I can understand the origin of life, forget about whether it will change my faith. It will transform my understanding. I will so much more celebrate why God made life such that it is. Increasingly, the question is, we think advances in sciences have diminished the claims of the Christian faith. Simple. Ouch. But I tell you what, as I heard what they said, and I spoke to my Christian friends at church, and they say, can I tell you something quietly? I said, yeah, what? I agree with my non-Christians. I also wonder, but I can't talk about it, because if I tell my pastor that I think the advances in natural sciences will diminish the claims of the Christian faith, he'll say I'm a heretic. Worse, I'm liberal. Liberal is a very easy word to throw at people, right? Anyone who doesn't agree with you, liberal. That's it. Silence the person. So that becomes a dangerous word. And what happens in a Christian world, as in any sort of world, you remain silent, but inside your faith has begun to erode. And it erodes very slowly. One day you wake up and you say, I wonder why am I in church? Can we look in a mirror honestly and say, I believe in Jesus Christ crucified? Can we say that? And He resurrected. And He's God. What are the urgent questions of your day? And that's what we examine. Now, I will tell you, for me personally, we all make choices. We can't do everything, right? And you have to decide in your skill sets, your environment, what is the area that you can go into where you want to almost specialize in so that you're ready to give an answer for the reason for your belief.